Hey, welcome back. Today we'll see how to crochet this heart bun stick. We need 3mm crochet hook, acrylic yarn and a bangle. Firstly, let's tie a knot on this bangle like this. This step is completely optional. I'm using it just to secure the yarn properly around this bangle. If you want, you may also skip it. And now make 60 single crochets around this. It will look something like this. You may continue the process and make rest of the stitches around the bangle. So now round 1 is done. Make a slip stitch here. Moving on to round 2. Firstly, we make 1 chain and then add 1/2 double crochet in the first stitch. Now make another half double crochet in the next stitch and then make 1 double crochet all around till we reach last 3 stitches. So continue with 1 double crochet. Continue this process, and at the very end, when last 3 stitches are left, we will make 1/2 double crochet in each of these. Make a slip stitch here, and round 2 is also done. Moving on to round 3. 1 single crochet in the first stitch, then make half double crochet in the next stitch, make another half double crochet in the third, then 1 double crochet in the fourth stitch, another 1 double crochet in the fifth. Now in the sixth we will make a treble crochet, 2 treble crochet in the sixth. So 1 treble and then another treble in the same stitch, which is the 6th stitch. Then again in the 7th, make 2 treble crochet in the 7th stitch, 1 treble, another treble. In the 8th stitch we have to make double treble crochet here like this, and again another double treble crochet in the same stitch in the same 8th stitch like this. In the 9th we are repeating the same pattern, 2 double treble crochet, 1 and then 2. You may slow down the speed of this video to see how I'm actually crocheting this. Again for the 10th stitch, make 2 double treble crochet, now moving on to 11th stitch, we are making 1 double treble crochet. So for rest of the 5 stitches also we are making 1 double treble crochet in each of these. So first one is done here, and then make 5 more. 1, 2, it will look something like this. Let's continue and make 3 more. So now all our double treble crochets are completed. Moving on to 17th stitch, make 2 treble crochet in this. Make 1 treble and then another treble. In the 18th stitch, again make 2 treble crochets. First one and then the second one. It will look something like this. In the 19th stitch, make 1 treble crochet. In the 20th, again make another treble. From 21st stitch to 23rd stitch, we will make 1 double crochet in each of these. So 3 double crochets are done. In 24th, we'll make half double crochet. In 25th, again 1 half double crochet. In 26th, again 1 more half double crochet. From 27 to 29th, make 1 double crochet in each of these like this. In 30th, make 1 treble crochet. Now chain 1 and make a picot stitch here. In 31st stitch, we are making 1 more treble crochet, and from here on we will almost repeat the same procedure like the first half. So now from 32nd to 34th stitch, we are making 1 double crochet. We are repeating almost the same pattern like the first half. As we have made 3 double crochet on this side, we are repeating on the other side. From 35th to 37th stitch, make 1 half double crochet in each of these. So here we have repeated the same pattern like the first half. So from 38th stitch to 40th stitch, we are making 1 double crochet into each of these. In 41 stitch and 42 stitch, make 1 treble crochet into each of these like this, and then in 43rd stitch make 2 treble crochets. So first one and then another treble crochet in the same stitch. In 44th, again make 2 treble crochet in the same stitch. Then make 1 double treble crochet in next 5 stitches. Then make 2 double treble crochet in next 3 stitches. Make 1 double treble crochet here, and then another double treble crochet in the same stitch. For the next stitch also repeating the pattern, one double treble crochet and then another double treble in the same stitch, and it will look something like this. Now make 2 treble crochet stitches in the next one, first treble and then second treble in the same stitch. Again repeat this pattern, make 2 treble crochet stitches, first treble and then another treble. Now make 1 double crochet stitch, again another double crochet stitch in the next, make half double crochet stitch, again half double crochet stitch, and at last make a single crochet as well. I forgot to record it here, but at last make 1 single crochet. Now weave in all the ends. For this mini heart, make a magic ring here. Now add 3 chain, 1, 2 and 3. Now add 3 treble crochet in this ring, first treble crochet, another treble crochet and 1 more. After this make 3 double crochets as well, first double, second double and lastly 1 more double. Make 1 treble crochet, again make 3 double crochet in this ring and make 3 treble crochet after this, 1 treble, two treble and last 1 more treble. Now make 3 chain and slip stitch into this ring, pull the thread tight. With this, round 1 of this heart is also completed. Moving on to round 2, pull the thread tight and make 3 single crochet stitches. So we are making these stitches on the chain that we have made for the round 1. So 1, 2 and 3. Then add 2 single crochets in next 6 stitches. Now make 1 single crochet and add a chain here, again another single crochet in the same stitch. We have done this just to make a tip of this heart. Now again in the next 6 stitches make 2 single crochet, at last add 3 single crochet in this chain of 3 and make a slip stitch to secure it properly. And now burn all the friezes with this lighter. I know the pattern is a little bit complicated, but hope it was helpful for you and you may slow down the speed of the video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for the upcoming tutorials. Okay, bye.